So when I say that this is a tiny step that makes a big difference, I mean it. This is the MADLUVV Brow Stamp Kit in soft brown, and it's my kind of beauty product. Quick, flattering, and it helps you look more like yourself, just a little more finished. You get 9 stencil shapes, so you can find the arch that feels right for your face. And the stamp fills in the sparse spots like I have and little gaps better than a pencil does for me. Then I do a quick brush through with the spoolie and it instantly softens everything. And you don't need a full face to feel put together. You don't need an occasion. Sometimes it's just brows, lip gloss, or a little lipstick, and the decision to show up as the woman you are. Effortless but not invisible, soft but still strong. This stays put all day, no smudging, no fading, so you're not thinking about it again. You just go live your life. Also, they include the sweetest little thank you note, and this is a small business owned by a mom of 2 littles. As a grandma of 4, I will always support a woman building something beautiful in the middle of real life. And a home sweet home tip today: keep the things that save you time and give you presents. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.